Seriously though. Okay, we're good. Okay.
The same popular.
Is it O is unknown?
It's A, yeah.
Okay.
It's sigma.
Sigma.
All of these Greek letters are confusing.
It looks like an O to me.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, it's one of the variations of sigma.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, so for the next question.
Is O known? So no, right?
Correct, because S is the sample standard deviation,
Mm-hmm.
and the population one is unknown.
Okay.
Well, it even says it up there. Assume that the population standard deviation is not known. That's kind of
Yeah,
a dumb question.
I know.
So
It's kind of like
no.
another one of those like where it asks us, is the
Yeah,
curve what side is the curve on? And I'm like, wait, they already told me.
this is one of those are you paying attention questions.
Are you listening? Because there's a
Yeah.
50 chance you can get it right, and you get two choices. So we're basically giving you 3 points.
Okay, so what is the value of T?
So that's where we'll use the new equation, right?
Yeah.
The x minus u over s divided by the square root of n. That one
Yep,
or a
that
different
one.
one? Huh?
That one.
That one? Okay.
So
T equals. Is it bad? I end up writing them out before I even like put the stuff in.
no, I'm writing it out right now too. Like
I'm not alone.
I actually am writing the equation too. Like that's how dumb I am. If
Oh
I
no.
I have to write out the equation and then I write the numbers in.
That's what I have to do. I have to write the equation out before I can write the numbers. You're not alone. So is u is 8 then, right?
Mu is 8, yeah. So it's 11 minus 8 over 6 divided by the square root of 9.
Yeah. Okay.
1.5.
Sorry, my thing is being slow. I can tell you if I got the same answer momentarily. What? Yeah, 1.5. Is that what you
Yep.
got?
Yeah. Okay.
So do we plug those numbers into the Excel sheet?
Yeah.
And you know they don't let it you can't copy them, so we have to write them in.
Well, I think I actually have the Excel file for this one.
What?
I have no
Yeah,
idea
but for
why.
the variables, how do we put them in there?
Oh. I thought it was asking us, like, the data has like 149 things, but this just has a couple. Use the
Yeah, use
following.
the following values
Oh,
which
which were pulled from. Okay. So I guess we just need to input them.
yeah, copy and paste them into your software, it says.
Okay, pull up that deal.
That's gonna be fun. Because you can't copy and paste things out of this.
Yeah, you just have to input, I guess.
Yeah.
But this really is a pain.
Is what?
This really is a pain.
Yeah, it is. I tried to copy them and it wouldn't let me.
You want to read them off?
Yeah. Okay, so the first one is 98. The second one is 99.6. The third one is 97.8.
Just read the number. It's like
What do
97.8 or 96, whatever.
Okay. Um, which one did I leave off on?
We're on the fourth one.
97.6, 98.7, 98.4, 98.9, 97.1, 99.2, 97.4, 99.1, 96.9, 98.8, 99.9, 96.8, 97, 98.7, 97.6, 98.7, 98.2. Okay, on my end, I have 24. How many do you have?
I don't need to read all this other stuff. I'm on line 21, or row 21.
Okay, I'm on row 24. Okay, I'm gonna read them my.
Well, were you doing it as you were reading it?
Uh-huh.
Let's go yours then.
Okay. I'm gonna read them again. Do you want to do that?
Okay.
Or do you care? I almost want to check it just to make sure it's right.
Oh, that's fine. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna read them again. 98.7.
Well, the first one's 98 though.
Oh, sorry, my screen wasn't up all the way. Sorry. Okay, first one 98, 99.6, 97.8, 97.6, 98.7, 98.4, 98.9, 97.1, 99.2, 97.4, 99.1, 96.9, 98.8, 99.9, 96.8, 97, 98.7, 97.6, 98.7, and 98.2.
Yeah, I'm still on row 21.
Oh, I know why. Did you get rid of rows 1 through 3 where it says one sample t-test for means? Like, did yours say that at the top?
Oh, I'm in the other Excel thing. I think you need both of them open. The quantitative descriptive one and the new one.
I have the quantitative inference open.
Yeah, I think you need the other one open. The one that we've been using all semester. The quantitative.
Is that the one you have open?
Yeah.
Okay, then can we just
yeah,
work
for sure. So that one. So the mean on that one, which is what the X bar is 98.22. What did yours say?
So this one doesn't give me a mean. I don't know why.
Yeah, you need both of the things. You have to input it into that one and then input it into the other one. It gives you the mean and the standard deviation.
In the first one, like the one you have?
Yeah. And then you input it, like you literally type it in to the other one.
Okay, so this one gives me, so this is the one that gives me the confidence level, the no hypothesis, and the type of test, and that will give me so what did you get for the mean?
I got 98.22.
Okay, because it's giving me that under where it says variable 1 on the first part. Here, I can show you on my screen if that's helpful.
Okay, so that makes sense. Then
So
yeah,
it's not
that's
showing it here, but it is showing it here
okay.
in this part right here.
Yeah. And what are you getting? What's your
98.22 is the mean.
okay, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna stop sharing. That makes my eyes
So
dizzy.
then the S is
So what is the X bar?
so that's the 98.22. Bless you.
0.220, right?
Yes. And then S is 0.922.
0.923.
I got 0.922.
922. Okay, because it doesn't, that's the standard deviation, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then yeah, that's what mine showed up to is 0.922.
Okay. And then the Z score or the T score.
This actually gave me the T-score of negative 1.843. Is that right?
Probably. Let me plug them. I don't think I'm doing this right. I think I'm doing double work by
Oh no.
inputting it into that one file.
Because I think the new one, the quantitative inference one, it made it look like that was the one we're supposed to be using for this unit.
Yeah, that's true.
I think. I could be wrong.
And so what did you get for the T score?
I got negative 1.843.
What else have you input though onto, so you've input the mean and the standard deviation?
No, I didn't input any of it. It just spit it out.
You just input the list in variable one column?
Yeah, I'll show you. So all I did, I messed with this number, the null hypothesis number before, but that was what I did in that was what I was doing in I can't remember. It was in like the group work or something.
Yeah.
Not the group work, but in the reading. I was messing around with it and it said to change the null hypothesis to 98.6. So that's what I changed it to. And all I did was input the variables here and it gave me the mean, standard deviation, and standard error of the mean there, and then it gave me this.
Did you hold on? I can't see the screen. I'm sorry.
Here, I'm gonna make it bigger. Hold on.
Oh, no, I got too many things open. So okay.
Can you see that okay?
95. So the confidence level though, shouldn't that be 0.05?
Maybe. Hold on.
I thought that was what the question was.
So does that mean that the confidence level is 95% then?
No.
It's saying the level of significance.
Oh, no. I always confuse those. Okay.
No, you're fine.
So sorry, what did you get for your T-score again?
The T-score, I got negative 1.843.
Okay. So mine doesn't have that.
And that
So
is that in the
just,
one we were using before?
well, I switched over to the new spreadsheet.
Okay.
Is there a way to lock on your screen save? It keeps going away.
Oh, here. I unshared it. It's my fault.
Oh no, that's okay.
Please hold. There you go.
I was just comparing the two. So I plugged all that in. Where did you get N?
I didn't plug anything in. For N. Let me see where it's getting N.
N's just adding up this column, but
Yep.
my N says 139.
What?
I know.
How many cells did you copy over?
Just like 20 20?
What? So n should be 20 because n is the number of variables, right?
Yeah.
What'd you do to your Excel sheet?
Broke it.
You broke it.
Let's see if all right. Sorry, mine. I don't know what I might have like literally overwritten some of these and saved it, so I might have to re-download the original one.
So here's the thing.
Hopefully, I didn't send Bailey the.
Oh. Well, we'll send her the video and make sure she has it.
Okay, so what is it you have for?
So I think it's right in putting the null hypothesis at 98.6 because that's what the alternate hypothesis and the null hypothesis is on the information portion. Mm-hmm. The only thing I'm not sure about is the level of significance, but I don't know if level of significance is like 100 minus the whatever. If the confidence level is 100 minus your level of significance. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
But I don't know if that would change my answers, though, if I put something different. It doesn't change my answers.
It doesn't?
It doesn't change the t-score. No, it only changes the confidence interval. That's the only number it looks like it changes. So that has to be right.
Okay.
Or at least that's my assumption.
Yeah, that's a good one.
I'll take it, right?
Okay, so tell me again what your t value is.
Negative 1.843. And then the p-value I'll read to you. Or here, is my screen still sharing with you?
Yes.
Okay, so it's 0.081, I think, because the answer is 0.0809, and we have to do it to 3, so it would be 0.081, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And since that is greater than the
null hypothesis, right? Does that mean it fails to reject it?
Yeah, since it's greater than the level of significance, it fails to reject.
Okay. There we go with those double negatives.
I know.
Thinkers.
That one was hard.
There's another one.
Hallelujah.
Well, here's another one. We got to enter the information.
Figure out why this isn't working.
It says this data exists somewhere else, and I think they're lying.
Which one is it?
This next question, we have to use this thing again, and it says that it exists within the in a spreadsheet, and I'm like, I'm not seeing another spreadsheet, people. I think you're lying.
Well, that baby boom JSE probably exists in that one folder that has all the downloadable data.
I looked, it's not there.
Oh, it's not. Okay.
Or at least it's not in the same place that the quantitative inference one is.
Okay, so we got to input this one again the same way.
Okay. You want to read them off to me?
Yeah.
Okay.
You ready?
Yep, go for it.
59,
okay.
14, 37, 62.
What was that?
62.
62, okay.
68, 2, 15, 9, 157, 27, 37, 2, 55, 86, 14, 4, 40, 36, 47, 9, 61.
Okay, so now I have 21 sets of data, is that right?
Okay, yeah. So I closed mine and reopened it, and so now it's working again. Yeah, so 21, that's what I got to.
Okay.
So
Okay.
just based on that, you're not doing any other input other than what we just put in column A, right?
Mm-hmm.
So are we supposed to assume that that p-value is the answer?
I think so, which
So
means it's
0.001?
because to the -7th, doesn't that mean we move it 7 places over, or what does that mean? I forget.
Oh, mine actually has a number in it.
Oh, mine has 7.590 something.
Hmm.
Oh, wait, no, mine has, why did it change it? Mine has 3.95718E -07.
That's weird. Yeah, I have like 0.000577956.
What?
So I don't know if mine is like tainted.
Okay, what is your confidence level at?
0.95.
And what's your null hypothesis?
Ah, okay. I didn't change that.
So change it to 98.6.
98.6. And then what are we doing? Did it tell us what it was, what we're looking for?
It just says,
Not equal to.
what is the p-value?
But I mean, in the information, what did you put greater than or not equal to or?
Oh, I have it as set as not equal to, because that was what I'd done in the reading.
Okay.
I have no idea if that's right or not, though.
Well, and that is right because in the information it says the alternate hypothesis is that it doesn't equal 40s.
Okay.
Wait, I think the null hypothesis should be 40.
Oh, okay. Because is that the, hold on.
In this.
That would make sense, so it's got to be 40K. Let me change that. Okay, so that gives me 0.99527.
Cool.
Is that what you got?
That's what I got too. Good.
Oh, good. See, you weren't messed up this time. It was me.
995.
0. Okay. So since it is great,
So the level of significance is 0.01. So yeah, since it's greater, we would fail to reject
her.
unless that's wrong.
Hey, we got a 50-50 shot. It's
That's
fine.
right. That's right.
Okay. You decide to try another alternative hypothesis. This time you use U is less than 40 and you keep the same level of significance. Did the p-value increase or decrease? So I'm not changing anything. So
Okay, I'm confused. I'm confused again. The confidence level and the level of significance aren't the same thing, right?
no.
Okay.
So
It
I
keeps
think
throwing me
that
off.
the type of test, would that change to less than?
Yeah,
So
that's definitely less than.
that does change the p-value and it decreases it if we change the type of test to less than.
Yes, so because it's like 0.502. Is that what you got?
Yeah, 0.50236.
Okay.
Okay.
Still reject it because it's higher than the
Reject it or fail to reject it? We
fail
put
to fail to reject because it's higher than the level of significance.
okay, the stinking double negatives.
Yeah.
All right.
Again, that's what I think it is, unless we're wrong.
No, I think you're right. I mean, worst case scenario, we're wrong. We'll try again. Now construct a 95% confidence level for the true mean wait time between births at the hospital. What is the lower limit of the confidence interval? So does that mean we need to find the t? No, but we have the t.
No, the confidence interval is it gives you that. So I'm just going back up to make sure there's no new data. This is still the same.
So is that
40.
with us changing it to less than? We're going off of that confidence level?
It should be less than still.
Okay, because good thing, because it doesn't change it. Well, it changes the p-value.
Now it's asking us for the data that's in G21, the confidence interval, the low limit of the confidence interval.
Do we need to change anything? Because
No.
our confidence level is at 95. So I have 23.499, so it would be 23.5. Is that what you got?
Yep.
Okay. And then the upper limit is 56.597, so 56.6.
Yep.
Okay. I think this might be too easy, and I'm concerned.
I was just thinking the same thing.
I'm like, crap. What if we're wrong? I guess we're going to find out. We got a 15 out of 17. What did we get wrong?
So 9 and 10.
Oh. Well, I know how we can for sure get 1 point back.
So, well, we got to go back up to...
Maybe did I not round right or something?
I got to put that data back.
Oh, crap. We got to put the data back in there again? I'm going to stop sharing this. Okay. Do you want me to read off the answers really quick and then we can go over 9 and 10?
Oh, you mean and retake it? Sure.
Yeah, if you want.
Let me pull up a new one.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so question 3 is A, we assume is unknown. Question 4 is no. Question 5 is going to be 1.5. And question 6 is going to be 98.220.
Okay.
Okay, question 7 is 0.922. The next question is negative 1.843.
Skip 9 for a second.
Yep.
10 is
Going to be reject. 11 is going to be 0.995. 12 is going to be fail to reject. 13 is going to be decrease. 14 is going to be fail to reject. And then 15 is going to be 23.5.
23.5?
23.5.
Okay.
And then 16 is going to be 56.6. Okay, so I'm going to go back. Those stinking data points. You want to read them off to me and I'll enter them?
Yep.
Okay.
So 98.
Okay.
99.6, 97.8, 97.6,
97.
98.7,
Okay.
98.4, 98.9, 97.1, 99.2, 97.4, 99.1, 96.9, 98.8, 99.9, 96.8, 97, 98.7, 97.6, 98.7, 98.2.
Okay. Right. So according to that, is my X still? Oh, I got to change the null hypothesis needs to be 98.6, right?
Yes. Let me just.
And then I need to change it to not equal to, right?
98.6. And they're asking us if it's less than 98.6. I think it should be less than.
Okay, so X bar is still 98.22. That's still 0. Okay. I'm still getting the same answers, which is good. Okay, so what is the p-value? So for p-value, I'm getting 0.08096.
Oh, really?
Yeah, which what we put.
I have 0.4048182.
Did you put the type of test is not equal to?
I put less than.
Okay, so should it be less than?
That's a good question. What I remember reading, it's got to be the alternate hypothesis is asking you if the mu is actually less than 98.6.
Oh, well, it has to be that because I just checked the p-value for it being for the other one, and it was the same answer that we gave, so it has to be that.
So, yeah, let's try that.
So 0.041.
So 0.040 is really.
Oh, you're right, 40, sorry. Because there's a 4, not an 8. I saw the 8, I saw 4. Okay, so 0.04. Okay. Blow something up.
Boom.
Did you do it?
Yep.
Yay! Sorry, I was going through those so quick. I'm just going to check my answers. Make sure I didn't type the wrong thing.
Cheers.
Okay, we're good. Wait.
Okay.
Cool.
Nice.
Bailey said she's not going to join us on Monday because she's getting her wisdom teeth pulled.
Oh, wow.
So it'll just be you and me.
Oh, I didn't even see that one.
No, she just told me on the
Oh.
we had the other day.
Oh, okay.